आइए अब सुने हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं। इसके लेखक हैं विनय चंद्र मौदगल्य।
Respected ma'am and all my dear friends, a very good morning. Myself Sahadi Shiza of class 2nd B, Air Force School, Chandanagar, Pune. Today, I am here to deliver a small speech on National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. National Unity Day is celebrated every year on 31st October. The birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is observed as National Unity Day. National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India and inaugurated by the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. The day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity among Indians. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great leader and freedom fighter. He was popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will always remain the motivation of unity for every Indian. National Unity Day is essential to build a strong nation. Thank you.
The National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October. It is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity amongst Indians. Do you know the meaning of unity? Okay, no problem. I will tell you the meaning of unity using a small story. Once there was a small family where lived a father and his three sons. His three sons always fight with each other. One day the father got an idea. He called his son and gave them a bundle of sticks. One day he asked the children to break the stick, but children tried really hard, but they could not break it. Next, the father opened the stick, gave them a single stick, each chair single stick, and he asked them to pick the stick. The father explained them, if you always remain together, always remain strong. Nobody able to break you. But if you single, then anyone break you. Story is unity is strength. I hope you understood. Thank you. its name is Unity in Diversity. There are many different states where people eat in different plates. They eat different food. They worship whom they choose. They wear different dresses, but all have beautiful faces. Though people have different styles, but all the time they have similar smiles. The states are equally good, and people eat different food. All the states are equally beautiful. To keep them clean, we must be careful. Thank you all.
एक ही है।
People celebrate this by organizing various events. Government of India organizes Run for Unity pledge-taking ceremony to mark the occasion. These events spread the message of staying united. Patil's objective was that the map of India must be united throughout its length and breadth. Now it's our duty to keep our nation united in any circumstance. Otherwise, Unity Day will remain a celebration only. Thank you.
Pledge. I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles economic, political and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens and private sectors need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walk of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to led by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior.
behavior, to report any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency. जय हिंद।
मैं सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करूंगी और अपने देशवासियों के बीच यह संदेश फैलाने का भी भरसक प्रयत्न करूंगी। मैं यह शपथ अपने देश की एकता की भावना से ले रही हूँ, जिसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका। मैं अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान करने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करती हूँ। I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind.